Everyone, it's me Jyoti and I am super excited to tell you that I am running for a marathon which is happening tomorrow. I am super excited. It's Saturday and it's happening on Sunday morning. I'm going for like that place, the Kolhad. That area is 3 hours far from the place I am staying, so which is not that far even. So I decided to go there because I'm going to run for the first time nearby the river and those all different experience. So that was a catch when I decided to do this marathon thing, and I was like, let's go, let's do some activity. Because and there is one more stuff to add on to this all thing. I didn't even practice a run. I didn't even walk for like more than 1 kilometer around anywhere. I didn't even walk some steps or stairs. I didn't even did any stretching. Whatever the pain and weird stuff happens tomorrow, God help me, it won't be too much. I'm so scared for that. I am super excited. I'm going to leave home in some time, so I'm just doing a quick makeup. I'm just going to fill up my eyebrows. I'm just going to fill up my sorry. I'm just going to I'll just quickly do my eyebrows, get ready and leave. So I have a small quick story if you guys are there. So the story is like, this is really silly and funny, but I really wanted to share. So I have decided to do this marathon over 20 days, sorry, 15 days back or 10 days back. And I am trying to find a place to stay. Like whenever I go online, I'm trying to understand, because the most of the pictures what they were showing on the profile was that pictures are very confusing. Oops, that pictures are really confusing. So I was like, I'll book it now, I'll book it in some time, I'll book it on some time. And then Monday came and today is Saturday. Just imagine, Monday came and I'm like, few days to go, I need to figure it out. Then I got an email from the marathon team. They emailed me, if you didn't book up the place, you can book this place. Like, once again, so they give that location, that this are the contact number, you can call these people and they will help you to book the place. I was like, okay, cool. That's really nice, because why not? I want somebody to help me to like get the right location instead of looking for some 10,000 tents, because I'm not comfortable staying in tent until that tent have a proper structure. Like, tent should have a proper structure, then I can stay over there. I know it's too much things, but that's how I am. And then I finally called those people next day and spoke to them. This is the place I'm looking. We are 2 people, me and my sister both are running. My sister's first time doing marathon. I am so excited for her. And then we were just going through the places. So they gave me one contact number, which I have seen the place and I really like that place. But there was one silly stuff happened. How do I explain? So my account got froze. I don't know what happened to my bank account. It doesn't work. It doesn't do anything. I am trying to do every single thing to make sure that my accounts work, but no, it's not working. I am trying to understand what is wrong with my bank account. I went to 2-3 places, tried to think try to do in a different way. The transactions didn't work. So yesterday I went bank and see what happened to my accounts, and then those people told me that forget those all stuff, it happens sometime, my bad, I didn't took care of the things on the right moment. So then they gave me one contact number. There was one lady named Meghna, the female, and I was trying to talk to her from past 2-3 days. Every day I used to call her on Monday, Tuesday till Thursday. No, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I spoke to her every single day and I'm like, do you have this place? And she's giving me the location. I'm trying to reach that person and that person is like, this is how, this is that, and I am like freaking out. Is it a safe thing to go? And then they are saying, okay, maybe we don't have a place for you. And then I am like, what? If you don't have a place, then why did you ask me first? Okay, yeah, आप हमें payment कर दो, हम तुम्हें दे देंगे, you know. And there is like, I told you just right now that my accounts were frozen. I don't know why, what happened, some KYC stuff. So because of that reason, my accounts were not working. And I was not aware about that part even. I'm telling the person that my something is wrong with my bank detail. I cannot do a transfer, but I'll be there on that day and I'll definitely do all the transaction which is required. So one person understand, the other person didn't understand. So the person who understand that place is 7 kilometer far from that location, and the person who was not able to understand that place was close to 1 kilometer, and I just miss out the best location which I wanted in the first place. Sad, right? So that's my marathon story. I love this third kind of stuff. It gave me a little bit of the the better. I don't have words right now. So you would be seeing this video way earlier, like on Thursday. I'm very excited you guys will be seeing this video. So finally I booked up the place for a marathon where I can stay for a night, and yeah, that's it. Now I am going to be in that place. I spoke with the person in the morning. That person called me up and said confirming place and all that stuff. So after that I got to know, this is really funny thing. So I just randomly asked, do you have the AC place, because we didn't spoke about the AC or non-AC part. And then he told me, okay, for the AC it will be costing, 1 second, my phone call, my friend is calling me. Anyways, so that person was like, do you want like the AC one? And I am like, I thought everything over there is the AC one. So he told me, like, that was really silly. But anyways, that's the story of me trying to explain what is happening with me. So this is what people were. Okay. टोटल बिल बता देना बाद में. पता नहीं, देखते हैं बिल आएगा नहीं आएगा. Bye bye. So I am ready to leave my home now, and I'm really excited for my marathon run, and I am going to take some pictures if it's possible. I have took some outfits. Let's see what happens, and wish me luck for my marathon thing. I'm so scared because I didn't even practice, and yeah. So I just filled up my eyebrows and did my lips, and I'm going to put a sunscreen in my car before like going for it, because my sunscreen is in car, that's why. And I'll show you what I'm wearing. So this is the outfit. It's a plain, very comfortable, and I am pairing it with my this little shiny thing. It's very difficult to show you guys, like, yeah. And I'm wearing this earrings, and I'm wearing this hand thingy. I'm wearing 2 rings, but maybe before running and doing anything I'll remove it. And I am carrying this, my laptop and my normal bag and my purse. This will hold my other stuff. This will hold the other stuff. That's it, guys. So I am leaving for my marathon, and yeah, hope I can finish, because I'm scared. I'm really scared. So the place I am going for, it's 2 hours and 20 minutes drive. So I'll be driving first, and then she will drive, maybe. maybe, or I'll take her there first, and then. So I'm just going to drive and see you guys when I stop for something like a Starbucks, or you want to have some Red Bull in between. How's the situation?
I don't know. Let's just drive first.
Yeah, let's just drive and see what happens. Wish us luck, because it's her first marathon and mine is like fourth or fifth, I think. So I'm super excited. Reached to the location where I'm supposed to collect my bib, and it is really, there are people. I felt like I'll be alone, but yeah. So this is how this place looks right now.
It's starting from here, so.
Last time when I got for that bib, this is my number. And what is this? Enjoy. And I got this. Pens to atkao that.
extra large one.
So we're going to sit for some time over here, and then we'll go back to the place we are going to stay, and that's all, right? This is the entrance.
Still it's far.
It's still far. It's not close yet. Okay. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is the puja farm where I'm staying in Kolad, but I have no idea what to say, but this is what the place we got to stay for a night. I am literally very upset because I cannot stay in such kind of place. I know people would be like, why are you saying this? But I cannot sleep in this area or something like this. It's so unacceptable for me. Even if I try for 15-20 minutes, I end up hating it more than usual. It is really disaster for me to say that I can stay in this area. My phone don't have any network. It is a little dramatic, like after 30-40 minutes of the fuss and mass, I have changed the location. It's the first place which I had booked it, so I'm here now. So I wanted to show you, it's not dirty like the previous one, but yeah, it's a little clean. You can see it is a little bit clean as compared to the one which I was earlier. I just kept my bags and everything here. So this is the place. I think so this side Moini will sleep, I will sleep on that side, and that's my small room. Like, what do you guys think about this room as compared to the previous one? Hey guys, so we both had finished our marathon. Moini's first marathon, and she really enjoyed. At some moment I was not knowing there's an incline and decline stuff. If I was knowing it, I could have like told her to do that kind of practice in her treadmill thing, but that's okay. This is her first time. She did it, guys. She did it. She didn't ran off. I was like, is she will be able to
Because
do?
on your first you ran off.
I finished.
No, but you didn't wait for the medals and
yes, because I was not aware where to get medals and how
you finished and came directly to car, not the finish line.
I finished the finish line even. No. But I never received, like I didn't know that this is the area that everyone is getting medal.
Yeah.
I was like only 10 people, like 10k people are getting, not the 5k and all that. I did my first marathon as a 5k.
And
then I did it like 5k again, and then 10k.
Bandra.
And then I did it last was 6.7 I think.
Okay,
so for Mumbai wala. Yeah, and this one is 5. I think so it's still 5.1, but they okay, they didn't mention how much kilometers I have ran.
She did 10.
But I want to keep this as my thumbnail, but I don't know. It was really good, but I have a concept, like there were like few of the misconceptions. They said that we would be running in the forest nearby the river and all. I was not knowing that we are actually running on the road, not on the river sides and all that thing, which is okay and which is safe even for everyone to go. But yeah, that I was not knowing. I was very scared. The reason why I was scared was my footwear. I'm wearing the Puma one, which I used to wear for my gym, and it skipped. Like I usually, like the last time when I went for a trekking, there's a small video I'll post somewhere over here. So at that time I literally skipped. I don't have a skid wala video, but yeah, that's what happened. There's a very beautiful view. It's almost 8:40 and we are leaving for the hotel now. Once we eat the food, and we'll see what's the vibe, if we want to rest for 1 hour or we'll just straight leave for home. Let's see what happens. So this is a beautiful view. Currently we are just driving back to the place. I have no idea. I wish my Navi Mumbai was like this every single day, every single morning, every single afternoon actually. Why not to be an afternoon that special? So yeah guys, that's it for now, and I'll see you in a bit once I have the misal pav at some place. I think I got changed like in 10 minutes and had a quick misal pav at this location where we were staying. The place is really nice. The bugs are really bad, the insects and all that stuff. It's really trouble all over the night. I can't say what do you expect in the area like this, so this is what we can get. The food was good, to be very honest, but some of the food has I'll just insert a picture. The pakora, the video which my sister recorded when I was vomiting. I'll try to insert that here. You can see what happened with me. So now I changed into this Forever 21, which I recently got. Not being got, I just got. So I'll take some pictures in this on way if I can, if I find the right location. Till then I'm just putting moisturizer and some body glow stuff, and yeah, we are on way back home. It will take another by 12:30 we will be at home for sure. I'm so excited to go home, sleep on my bed. Hi, I'm back home. I just want to say I'm back home, I'm back home, I'm back home. I'm feeling good that I'm back home, but it was a great experience out there. I had so much fun with my sister. The fun was not to be exciting part, but yeah, the insect night, like I will never ever forget the bugs all over me and trying to sleep in that situation. And trying to eat something, there was a bugs inside. Oh my god, it was really something like out of the thing which I never expected for my thing, like for a period. Like anyways, so it was a great fun. I had an awesome time with my sister. I finished my marathon and I had a great drive, and I'm feeling so happy and productive. Mostly I'm making sure, like I can't promise, but I'll try my best to go gym from tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Tomorrow I have a work, maybe day after tomorrow, every single day I'll try to go gym. I just wish I could do that every time, but yeah. So this is what I'm planning to do, and yes, I'm very happy, and it was a great trip and I had a fun. And yeah, hope you guys even get a little inspired from me and get to the marathon or do your best. Bye guys, love you all.